smoke testing and sanity testing. So these two testing are very important, and they are taught supplementary and complementary also. So in hardware terms, when we take an instrument or design or make or construct an instrument, when we put the plug inside, the hardware part may burn. So you'll see a smoke. So you don't have to test it further. Smoke testing is all about this, that in the initial builds, when the software is relatively unstable, I am talking about the build 1, 2, 3 initial builds, and when the software is relatively unstable. So we do the smoke testing. This smoke testing is a shallow testing. It is not deep testing. It is not that testing which goes to a particular part. Overall view, so it verifies critical functionalities like application starts successfully or not. In sanity testing, we are talking about certain stable builds. So relatively stable builds which are done after multiple rounds of regression tests. Now when the builds are stable, we verify the new functionality or some bug fixes in the build. So this smoke testing and sanity testing are done with different view on different builds for the narrow and the shallow way. And when the tests are passed, then we go for another testing. It can be system testing, it can be regression testing. Okay, so these two testing are uncovering different kinds of error. In smoke testing, first thing is that the smoke testing is performed to ascertain that the critical functionality of the program is working fine. That is, we need to find out the showstopper, that error or that problem which is going to be having maximum likelihood to impact the schedule. In sanity testing, it is done to check the new functionalities or bugs that have been fixed. The objective of the smoke testing is to find out, verify the stability of the system in order to proceed for more tests like the rigorous testing. Okay, we just whichever has problem, we'll leave it. We don't go further. The objective of the testing is to verify the rationality of the system in order to proceed with more rigorous testing, because we are working on more stable builds, because we are verifying the new functionality, bug fixes in the build. In the smoke testing, mostly it is performed by the developers or the ITG, independent test group or testers. In sanity testing, it is always performed normally by testers. Smoke testing is usually documented or scripted. Sanity testing is not that much documented, or you can call it as unscripted. Smoke testing exercises the whole system from end to end. So this is a broad and shallow kind of testing. Sanity testing exercises only a particular component or a part of the entire system. So this is narrow and deep kind of testing. So this smoke testing is overall health checkup of a body. Sanity testing is a particular problem encountered and going to that. For example, liver problem or a heart problem. So sanity is going to a basic part. Smoke testing is first checking overall and then finding out where the problem may be. So this smoke testing is like a general health checkup. Sanity testing is like a specialized health checkup.